Hey guys, this is Sean, the M2 designer, and we're going to look into our new upcoming release. It's Moon 02. This is a non-exclusive release, and this is a 1/64 scale. And let's take a deeper look, shall we? Okay guys, right now we're going to look at the first car, and it's the 1953 VW Beetle Deluxe, the USA model. And it might look a little familiar to you. This was part of our first release in the 24 scale, so we decided to do the 64 scale counterpart. So we have the bright yellow body with the black and white racing stripe, and it has the big Moon Eyes logo up on the front. You can see that the headlights are clear yellow, and it has the Moon Eyes on the side, and it also has the little Go With Moon here on the back quarter panels. And the rims are chrome 5-spoke, the wide pattern for only VWs, and it's riding on low profile tires, and it has chrome bumpers. And this is part of the Moon 02. This is a non-exclusive set, so everybody will have this available. Okay, the next one is the 1959 VW Microbus Deluxe, and this one should also look familiar. This was also based off of the 24 scale release, the first run of Moon Eyes that we did ever. And the body is gloss black with a bright white roof. And you see the Moon Equipped logo, and also the Moon Equipped company right here with the Santa Fe Springs address and everything. It does have the cool aftermarket Cyclops headlight up here, and you can see that the headlights are clear yellow, and the top is open so you can see the interior. And then you got on the back, you got the cool sign on the back window, Go With Moon on the top of the body, and a Moon Eyes license plate. Let's see if we can focus that better. Right there. And the rims on this one, the rims are the black, they're blacked out. They're centerline VW only rims. They're the wide 5 patterns. It means that the pattern of the bolts are spread apart. And also this is on, it's a lower chassis, and it's on also low profile tires. And the bumpers are black, and it just gives kind of a sinister look. And it's just a really cool piece. Again, this is 1/64 scale, and this is part of the Moon 02 release. Alright, I'll go to the next one. Yeah. Okay, the next car up, guys, is our 1969 Dodge Charger Daytona Hemi. And we'll pick this up here, and this is kind of a modern, kind of a NASCAR road race paint scheme. And the body is bright yellow, has a gloss black roof, and it has this cool side stripe that goes along with the Moon Equipped and the Moon Eyes logo looking forward to, and the number 50 on the door, the big large Moon Eyes up on the roof, and the hood, Go With Moon. And the rims are black steel wheels with Goodyear tires with the yellow writing. And there we go, the Go With Moon again. And this one, let's see, this one's got the black interior with the bucket console. Let's see, let's open up the hood. You can see there's the Hemi engine underneath. And this is done kind of a vintage NASCAR theme. There you go, the 1969 Dodge Charger Daytona Hemi. Okay, the next piece is the 1956 Ford F100 truck. And this one's a custom. This one's a kind of a mild custom. It's the body is bright yellow with a black roof, but I don't know if it's picking it up. Let's try to focus. The roof, or the hood has what you call it, hood louvers. So you have all these little louvers. There's one, two, 3 rows of louvers on each side of the hood. It's kind of hard to pick up with the bright yellow. Hopefully you can kind of see that. And then also too, it has a custom grill in it. This is kind of a thing back in the day. There we go. This is actually a Chrysler grill. I believe it's like a 61 or 2 Chrysler, and you can see the canted or angled headlights, and it's got this different grille, and it's just something kind of cool, like a mild custom. It didn't take a whole lot. The stock Ford grille had just a nice big area to play around with, and fit another grille from another car and actually another manufacturer. So again, that's like a Chrysler custom grille. And you're only going to find stuff like this from M2Machines, the custom grille and these louvered hoods and stuff. And the 56 Ford truck rides on chrome moon disc hubcaps with large white wall tires. And then you can see on the back, there's the Moon Eyes Cool logo on the back window. It's the big cab, so it's got the big back window, the custom cab. And you see on the tailgate right there, instead of saying Ford, it says Go With Moon. And I think you can see that right there. And let's open this guy up. Let me open up the doors real quick. And then you can see the interior. The interior is a black dash, black carpet, and a white seat. Let's see inside there. And the old Ford V8 engine. And this is again 1956. We'll try one more time to see if you can see those louvers on the hood. You can kind of pick it up. It's kind of light to see, but you could kind of feel it. All those little bumps. Again, there's 3 rows of louvers on the hood. Again, there's the custom grille. So this is kind of a mild custom truck, kind of a shop truck. Oh, real important too. This is one of the first times we're using the Moon Eyes area Yokohama logo right here from Japan. So that's on the door. That's kind of cool. A new style of Moon Eyes logo. And let's go to the next one. Okay guys, up next is the 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air 2-door hardtop. Now this one is a cool one. I hope the camera can pick it up. There's the yellow, the bright yellow, but it's a heavy metal flake. So it's got a lot of sparkle in there. If you just tilt the car around, you can kind of see the paint dance around with the different colored metal flakes on it. Now this one's got the cool flame job. You can see the flames go from, they're kind of yellow with a reddish outline with a blue pinstripe. And there you go. And since it's a Bel Air, they do come from the factory, Bel Air, with the gold grill. So that's oops, let me focus this better. There you go. They come with a gold grill, and that's a 57 Chevy trait. So it's not a chase car. That kind of confuses some people. But just the grill that's gold. That's a factory thing on Bel Airs. And this one also sits with the lake pipes right here. This one's got the single outlet lake pipe. Lake pipe follows along the body and stuff. Sometimes they were just for pure look and decorations, but sometimes guys would actually hook them up and go cruising with their lake pipes. You can uncork them. And let's see, the rims are also chrome moon disc with wide white walls, and also the glass. Check out the glass. The glass is clear yellow, has a little tint in it. That was kind of a trick back in the day. And you can see the Moon Eyes on the back window, the little cool sign, the sticker, and then Moon Equipped to the side. And let's open up the interior. And we'll open up the hood. And of course, under the hood is the small block Chevrolet. This is 57, so it was the first year for the 283 V8, 283 cubic inches. And this one is just a 4-barrel. It's probably what, 200, maybe 180 horsepower. And let's see, the interior is yellow with black inserts. So it's just a very nice piece. And again, you really got to take this thing out into the sunlight to appreciate the paint with all the metal flake in it. You really got to take that outside. And again, there you go, the 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air two-door hardtop. Okay guys, this is the last car in the set. It's the 1969 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 Rally Sport. And this one, it's a Z28 that was a performance option for the Trans Am road racing. Basically, it came with a 302 4-speed and some low gears and stuff. And the Rally Sport is a dress-up option with the hideaway headlights and a couple different options. It's a non-performance option, but it's just mostly of a styling option. But this one's a custom. This one happens to be made off of a replica, if you will, as close as we can get to the current owner of Moon Eyes, Shiggy. He actually has this Camaro in real life that he races in Japan. He drag races this in the '69 Camaro. It's painted candy apple red. So let's see if you can pick up on that. It's a beautiful candy apple red paint job. And you can see right here, it's got this gorgeous gold pinstripe that go around the fenders, the doors, and comes back to the rear quarter panels. The front bumper, you see, is painted is body color, the candy apple red, but then the back is black. And then you can see the Moon Eyes inside the Chevrolet logo here. You see it's got Moon Eyes, and then Moon Eyes racing cams on the rear quarter panels. And then you can notice too the trim is blacked out as well. It's got the Z28 hood with the rear and a rear spoiler. So this one's a drag car. So it's got two different rims. This is done on purpose, like I mentioned in a couple other videos. This is not a variation or an error. We actually planned on having two different variations of wheels, front and rear. That was a thing back in the day. So right in the front, you have like the chrome 5-spoke rims. Back in the day, you would either have like aluminum or magnesium to kind of save some weight. And then on the back, you would have sometimes a steel wheel or more of a solid wheel, and with the drag slicks. So this one's got the chromed wheels, the chrome solid wheels on the back with Goodyear Eagle drag slicks. And you can kind of see, if you can see the slick tire back there. These are not the oversized Pro Street slicks that we have, but more of the kind of the cheater slicks, kind of stuff that would fit into the stock wheel well without tubbing or cutting up the car. And you can also see, let's see, I don't know if it's better from the front angle. The front are skinny tires. They are like a millimeter difference in width from the front to the back to give that realistic look. And that's what we're about at M2. We kind of go a little crazy on the details that nobody else does. Let's open up the hood. Okay, so we got this opened up. So underneath, I believe Shiggy's got a big block Chevy on his race car. So this is a big V8 Chevrolet engine under there. And then you can see inside, let's see if we can focus this. See inside the Camaro, it's all business in here and safety. There's 2 racing bucket seats along with a roll cage, and just safety equipment. So I don't know if you could pick up on the roll cage through the back window or not. Well, let's go through the other side, the passenger side door. You can see inside there's racing, you see the bar coming over. Yeah, let's focus this. There we go. You can see the bar coming over to protect the passenger right there. And let's see if I can tilt it up. You can kind of see there's a roll cage in there as well with the racing buckets. So this is a really cool piece, and we made it as close as we possibly can to the real car that he races in Japan. He drag races this thing. There you go. Again, the 1969 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 Rally Sport. Okay, and finally, guys, we had to make Shiggy's car the chase car of this release. So here you have the 1969 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 Rally Sport, and this is the chase car, limited to only 750 pieces worldwide. And it's basically the same car, same color, the candy apple red with all the cool gold striping and everything. It has chase car attributes, so that means that it has, let's see, the bumpers, the rims, and the interior are now yellow. So you can see the chrome yellow bumpers, front and back, and then the rims. Both different rims are now chrome yellow rather. And let's see, I think underneath, let's see, let's open up that door. There we go, the interior is yellow. It still has the racing bucket seats and the roll cage. And again, this is the Chase Car, limited to 750 pieces worldwide. The 1969 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 Rally Sport. So there you have it, guys. We just went into an in-depth look at a Moon 02 release, and if you could do us a solid, please like and subscribe and our M2 YouTube channel, and we'll see you next time.